Hi, and welcome to Card Shop at Argenta. I'm Julie with the Argenta Branch Library, and we're part of the Lehman Library System here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Card Shop is a program that we offer virtually, and we're happy to have you join us by calling the Argenta Branch Library at 501-687-1061 to reserve yourself a card kit to follow along with our videos. Be sure to watch our videos on social media, YouTube, Facebook. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that libraries are more than just books. And now I'm going to turn it over to Kerstin and enjoy today's video.
Thank you, Julie. And hi again, and I can't believe it's already February. And this month again, we are doing another Maker's Choice. And this one is called All Occasions. And there's so many occasions in our lives, like thinking of you, or happy birthday, or just simple kind of nice things we like to say to some people. I have thought I'd come up with a few cards which show a different occasion and what you can make out of a card with a different occasion. So this one, for example, is saying just simply thank you, and we should be thankful for so many things. So with Maker's Choice, the possibilities are endless. You have been given quite a bit of material again in your February kits, and I thought I'd just show you real quick what I have made out of these materials. So this one here says thank you so very much, and all I have basically did was take a base card, added one layer of just plain green cardstock, and then added a layer of just pattern paper, and just simply glued the sentiment thank you so very much on this card. Another one I have made is, for example, this one. Very easy again. Simply said, I'm taking my cardstock, which I'm using my base card, fold it together, use another pattern paper, and this one here is a happy birthday card, and it says hope your day is so cloud nine, happy birthday. Very simple, and it's a handmade card, and I think handmade cards make a difference in somebody's life because there's thought behind it, and somebody just made it for somebody. And let me show you another one I have made. This one here is really cute, and you have all the materials again in your kit. This one here has little teacups and coffee cups on it, and all I did was, again, just take my base card, glue the pattern paper on top of my base card, put a small square of purple cardstock, and the sentiment, you make the world a better place, and put that on there, and that's just going to be something for somebody maybe who had a hard time, or maybe you just want to compliment them, or you just want to tell them how much you care about them. So these are just a few samples I have made out of the Maker's Choice, and again, I hope you show what you created, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you so very much for joining us. We will see you again next month. Have a great day.